Alright, family, welcome back to my channel where we talk about business, holistic health, and spirituality. Today we're going to be adding on to our chakra series, and we are going to be talking about how to know when your heart chakra is unbalanced, and we're going to talk about how you can get it back balanced. So, one way you can know if your heart chakra is unbalanced is if you're just having like emotional distance. Like if you don't really want to deal with anybody, you don't want to talk to anyone, you're just closed off, then that can be a sign that your heart chakra is unbalanced. Okay, another way you can know if your heart chakra is unbalanced is if you just have problems in every relationship that you have. You can't keep any friends, you can't keep a boyfriend, or not to say that you can't keep them. Maybe you're just attracting the wrong type of people. Maybe you're attracting the wrong kind of relationships. Then that is a sign that your heart chakra is unbalanced. Another sign your heart chakra is unbalanced is if you just don't give a about nobody or how they feel. When somebody tries to come to you and tell you how they feel, you just don't care. You just disregard it. It's all about you. Who cares how they feel or what they think? Then your heart chakra is unbalanced, because when you are operating from the heart chakra, you have unconditional love, understanding, and you're not going to be closed off to other people's feelings. Another way to know that your heart chakra is unbalanced is if you have a lack of self-love. Are you not doing your hair anymore? Are you just not taking care of yourself? Are you not keeping your hair, your nails done? Are you not dressing nice? Or are you not having any confidence within yourself? Do you just not feel like yourself? Do you have insecurities? If you do, then your heart chakra is unbalanced. Are you not taking care of yourself? Are you forgetting to eat? Are you not getting enough rest? These are all forms of self-love. Are you not understanding and watching like the things that you're putting into your body, like the things that you may be eating? Are you not taking care of yourself, like drinking too much alcohol or just putting bad things and toxic things into your body, which would be you are lacking self-love, and so that means that your heart chakra is unbalanced. All right, another way you can know if your heart chakra is unbalanced is if you're just bitter and you are holding on to resentment for anyone or anything that may have happened in your life. If you're just so stuck in the past and you're just bitter about what somebody did to you, like your heart chakra is unbalanced, because who cares about the past? Move forward. We are focused on the present and the future. We are not worried about the past. Forgive, don't forget, and let's move on. Let's balance out that heart chakra. Now, when your heart chakra is unbalanced, it can take a toll on your body. You can have issues with your asthma. You can have heart problems. You can have respiratory issues. And if these things are happening, then your heart chakra may be unbalanced. So, some things that you can do to balance out the heart chakra is meditation. I recommend meditation, a heart chakra meditation, and love meditations, which they have on YouTube. I recommend doing those. Those are going to really help, and it's going to help you to release whatever it is that you've been holding on to and that you need to let go. Another thing you can do is self-reflection, in a journal. Journal about why you feel the way that you do, and then release it. Once you get it out, then you'll be able to release it. You can also do a heart chakra activated yoga, which they have on YouTube. I've done it before. It works like wonders. And that's going to help to open up the heart chakra and get it back balanced. Another thing you can do is speak with a professional healer or like a spiritual coach or something like that. You may even want to speak to a therapist so that they can help you to understand why you are holding on to whatever it is that you're holding on to, and they might be able to help you release it, and they're just going to be able to help you to understand. And then as far as like the healing goes, like I said earlier in the video, I recommend seeking like a Reiki healer. That's going to help because Reiki energy healers help to heal the chakras, and I am one of them. So I know these things. So yeah, you're gonna want to maybe do that if you're not able to release when you're journaling or meditating. That can be the next step that you might want to look into. Another thing you can do is wear green. Green is associated with balancing out the heart chakra and activating that unconditional love and emotional healing. So, I recommend wearing different shades of green. That's going to help. As we all know, green foods are really great for the heart, right? They're good. They're really great for heart health. So, I also recommend, as far as foods, is eating leafy greens, kale, spinach, lettuce. Yeah, those things are going to be really good to help to balance out the heart chakra. Okay, so some herbs that you can use to help to balance out that heart chakra will be roses. Roses is one good one. It's really great. I use roses in a bath, in my bath. It is a form of self love. And when you put those rose petals in your bath, they just make your bath look so pretty and just feels so good. It just feels like you're pampering yourself. So I really recommend roses. Now another one again for the heart chakra is lavender. Lavender is really good for calming. Okay, chamomile is another one also, which is good with its calming properties, and it just makes you feel so relaxed. Okay, so that's going to help to heal that heart chakra and activate it. So hawthorn is another good one also. Okay, and it's going to help with your heart health, and it's also going to open up the heart chakra. So another one is green tea. Green tea is so good with just balancing out um, everything because it has some great antioxidants, and it's really going to help with balancing out that emotional side and get that heart chakra back activated, and you feeling that emotion in your heart that you need to feel to be able to get it back activated. Now, as I stated before in another video, you can use all of these herbs that I'm recommending. You can put them in a tea. You can use them as aromatherapy. You can get them in essential oils and use them as a aromatherapy technique. Also, just smelling them is going to help also with activating and getting that heart chakra back balanced. So yeah, that's going to help you a lot. I recommend using these herbs daily. And also remember that when your heart chakra is activated and open, you're opening up to love. So you're opening up to forming new and better relationships. Your relationships are going to get better. You're going to start attracting the people that you need to attract into your life, and your life is just going to be overall just better because when you are living and walking in love, that's what you attract. Okay, so just remember that. Okay, now there are some exercises that you can do to open up that heart chakra, and there are breathing techniques that you can do. Just, I felt that all up in here. And breathe out, okay? So that's one technique. Also, you can do yoga poses like the bridge. That's going to be a really good one. And then also acts of kindness. Now, for me, in my experience, acts of kindness is one of the most beneficial things that you can do to help to activate that heart chakra. When you do things out of kindness and out of love, I mean, the feeling of knowing you made someone else feel good and them expressing to you that you made them feel good is priceless. It's amazing. So You can do things. You can do things of act of kindness, like you can go volunteer somewhere, maybe at a homeless shelter or something. You see somebody on the street and they have a sign, they're asking for food. Shoot, go get some food. I do it all the time. Like if I see someone standing outside of a McDonald's or something, I'll go in there and I'll get some food and I'll bring it back out to them. Another thing you can do is just when you're walking and you see someone and it looks like they're not having a good day, give them a compliment. Tell them that they're beautiful. Tell them they look really nice today. You can do things like that that really cheers people up. I do it all the time. Another thing that I like to do is when I'm at the store, every time I'm checking out, and I'm just every time I'm at the store, every time I'm checking out, pretty much every time I go anywhere, I always say hi to people. Like it's weird for me not to say hi to people when I look at them or we make eye contact. Like it's weird. um yeah, it's really weird not to say something. Like people are so like weird nowadays and rude. Like I've even had people where I say hi to them and they act like they didn't even hear me. So whatever. But yeah, just be kind. Don't worry about what their reaction is, because you're doing it for them, to help them, but it's also to help you because you're acting out of love. As long as you stay acting out of love, everything's gonna be great for you. So yeah, give those compliments to people when you just see that. When you see people are just not doing good, just try to be as helpful as you can. Like the world needs more people like that. Like try to be as helpful as you can in situations. Never give too much out of your cup. Make sure your cup is always filled before you try to fill somebody else's. And never pour too much of your cup into someone else's. Okay, always make sure you have enough, and then you can do for others. um, yeah. So just be kind and just love people. Just be nice to people, you know? We never know what people are going through. We just never know, you know? Even like those people like in traffic, when they're honking. Like I've had people honk at me and flick me off, and I'm just like, whatever. He's having a bad day. But when I used to be on a lower vibration, I'm like, oh, they got me messed up, you know? And I drive by them and look at them like, what the hell is your problem? But now I'm just like, whatever. They're on a low vibration, number one. Number two, I don't know what's going on with them. You know what I'm saying? Anything could be going on. Somebody could have just passed away. Um, Anything could have happened. So at the end of the day, that's how the world is. We never know what is going on in this world with people. So always try to remain calm and always try to remain in a loving and caring mindset, okay? So, yes, that is some things. Those are some things that you can do. Go donate your old clothes. Clean out your closet. It's about to be a new year. Clean out your closet. Whatever you're not wearing, if you haven't worn stuff for like 2 years, get rid of it. You're not gonna wear it. I don't care, even if it's brand new. I had an issue with that. I had stuff that was brand new with tags, and I just said forget it. I'm still gonna give it away. I'm gonna just give it away. So, that's something that you can do. Also, is donate things. Whatever you're not using, donate it. There are other people that need things. So another thing that you can do to unlock and unblock that heart chakra and get it back activated is affirmations. Okay, you can say affirmations like, I am worthy of love, I forgive myself and others, my heart is open to give and to receive love. Okay, and that's going to help you to promote your self-love, your self-compassion, and your compassion for others. Okay, so I also have the I have the root chakra tea. So I have the herbal teas that I have made, and I also have some of the tinctures that I have made that will help you to balance out all of your chakras, okay? I have one for pretty much each chakra, and if I don't have it on my website, it's coming soon. So make sure that you check out the link below, and make sure that you hit the like button. Check out my website. I have so many different things on there. I make a lot of things. Like, I'm a creator. That's what I do. I love working with my hands, so I love making things. Like, I made all of these bracelets. Like, I just love making stuff. So, yeah, you guys, just make sure that you hit the like button, and make sure that you subscribe, so that you don't miss anything. And again, always remember, share the wealth, increase the peace, because there is enough money out here for us all to eat. Okay, thank you so much for staying to the end and watching this video. And remember, act out of love and kindness. I love you.